We're at Data Center World 2026 in Frankfurt today. Datwyler IT Infra is showcasing the Smart Modular Data Centre here. This is a rack solution for small and medium-sized businesses that need on-site data center capacity. We've also brought an additional rack this year featuring a connecting hardware solution. These include an FO-DCS, an MD-DCS, and an HD-DCS solution, which can be designed and configured to meet customer needs and enable the connection of servers or AI systems using high-quality fiber optics. The talk of the town right now is the fiber shortage. Demand is very high. The market is being increasingly depleted by hyperscalers.
The current political situation has significantly intensified this dynamic. For us, as a European supplier and manufacturer, this changed market situation presents an incredible opportunity to meet customer needs, maintain short supply chains, and ultimately deliver from Europe to our customers in Europe.
What's interesting is that many customers are asking us if we can provide and deploy this solution quickly. And we have very good answers for them. We have a turnkey infrastructure. That means we deliver the solution to the customer fully pre-configured.